Hello guys, and welcome to part 2 of my Christmas decorating series. So today I am taking you along into my daughter's room this time, and I'm going to switch out some of the decor and change it up for some Christmassy type decor. If you didn't watch the other video, you should definitely go and check that out. But basically the reason why I am decorating in this part of the house rather than in the living room and putting the Christmas tree up is because we are renovating. So there will be a kitchen renovation series coming up. So yes, it's really dusty out there. There's going to be plaster dust and stuff everywhere, and I have one of those flocked Christmas trees, so that'd be interesting to try and clean that. So I just decided that this year, no Christmas tree, but we are going to just decorate all the bedrooms and this sort of side of the house so that it still feels somewhat Christmassy. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into it. This is just some of the bits and pieces that I'm going to be decorating with today. I'll be really honest, I don't really have a game plan. To be really honest, I'm just gonna use what's here and possibly not use what's here, and then I might take even down a few more bits and pieces. I'll see how I go as I'm decorating.
Friends and family, we need family, we need Christmas. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us. I ain't worried about the things I gotta do. All I want you know is how I love you. Spending time with family and the friends, yeah. Keeping love together till the end, yeah. 'Cause I ain't worried about the days of the year. All I wanna do is stay right here, yeah. Playing and laughing together. We got no worries, no never. Not entertaining none of the games. We keep it moving 'cause we have changed. Jesus is dying, living again. We celebrate forever, new end.
So this is how the room is looking. Very subtle Christmassy, I feel. It's not too Christmassy. Definitely goes with the current colour scheme that's in the room, just like I did with the other one. I kept the sort of colour scheme going, and I've just changed it up. Just made it a lot more Christmassy, and I think it looks pretty cool. And then I've just replaced her swan and added a cushion over here, and I think it looks super cute. Super cute. Lots of cushions. You can really tell I've put new pillows on the bed too because it's quite fluffy. And then over here we've got our little Santa gnome. And then on this side of the room I've just changed up all the clothes so they match in better with the colour scheme. And then I have popped in some of our Christmas photos. And then this one here is, I know the frame doesn't match, but this is actually mine and Tahlia's first Christmas. It's very cute. So we're just going for those wood tones, some of the pinks and white, you could say. So white, pink and wood tone with bits of gold. So we're still using that like 30-60-10 rule. It really does go in with the current aesthetic that's in the room, which I'm loving. Really rookie mistake of not putting the batteries in first. But what I actually wanted to do here is actually put the reef holder that I've got and then hang the reef from there and take this one here away. But that totally didn't happen. I forgot to change batteries and I couldn't find the reef hanger. I actually think it would be with my outdoor reef, which makes sense. I would have put it in the same like basket with the reef. Anyway, I'm not going to go fetch that out, to be honest. These lights that I put up here do not work. What the hell, Steph? So yes, I went to all this trouble of putting the lights up and they don't work. I did put batteries in them and test them when I got them up there, and yeah, it wasn't working. I don't know why. I actually think it's the lights. I don't think it's the battery. So yes, And this is what it looks like with the lights. Well, the actual lights are working because, as I said, there was the ones at the canopy there that I put in do not work. Bit gutted about that, but yeah, looks pretty cool. So I think there's only one thing to do. Get little Miss T and see if she approves. Keep them closed. All right, open. What's your favourite bit? We'll have to look at all the room first and tell me what's your favourite part. This one? Yeah. Your Christmas tree. You can decorate it later if you like. Are you going to go out there and wipe the Nutella off your face now?
No.
My cheeky girl. So guys, I hope you've all enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see some more Christmas content, I do have a full playlist with clutter-free Christmas gift ideas. I have more decorating, heaps of decorating videos in fact, so you can enjoy those, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.